Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mutia. As you may or may not know, this is my first YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do your eyebrows. I'm just going to show you how I do my eyebrows every day, so it's nothing special. It's just like a simple eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. Right, so first thing you're going to need is this, a pencil. My pencil's almost finished, that's why it's so tiny. But all you're going to need is a pencil that matches your eyebrow color. This one's a bit darker, but I quite like it. And this is optional. You can use like a powdered eyebrow kit. And what you need is any type of concealer that is a little bit lighter than your shade. Okay, so first thing you do is get your pencil, make sure it's sharpened, and you... Oh, I forgot one more thing. You need like a eyeshadow brush. An eyebrow brush, sorry. Eyeshadow brush. Just brush your eyebrows out, and then you go with your pencil and you just draw along the shape of your eyebrows. Just make sure use your eyebrows as a as a guide, and just draw along your eyebrows. It doesn't have to be neat, you can just clean it up with your concealer later. And then you draw the one above like so. And make sure you don't draw it all the way. Make sure this one's a bit longer than the one above. And then you just color it in. I'm gonna go sharpen my eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'm back. Right, so my eyebrow pencil is sharpened. So then you brush your left brow, and then you do the same thing. Make sure the bottom line is longer than the upper line. Like I said, it does not have to be neat. I can see that this one's a bit thicker than the other one. It's always the left brow, isn't it? Oh. Right. So now that that is done, you get your eyebrow brush, and then you just brush it out. Brush it out, brush it out, brush it out. You brush this one out as well. I'm going to use my eyebrow kit, and I'm going to go in with the lighter shade. Yeah, the lighter shade. And then I'm going to brush out. I'm going to brush it out from the front. Just to create that ombre look, do you know what I mean? That lighter shade. Just this lighter shade. Not the dark one, the lighter one. Some people may prefer to use a concealer brush, but I don't like to use it. But you can use it if you want to, if it's just easier for you. But I actually like to use this stuff. It's just way easier for me. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is what I use for my concealer. So you get a lighter shade that's just a little bit lighter than your skin, and then you go in that just to neaten up the lines. That's that. And then you take a blending brush the concealer into your foundation or into your skin. Make sure you're very, very careful with this stuff. And you get your powder brush and just blend it a bit more into your skin. And this is how you achieve your everyday eyebrows. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.